KELIT Innovative Pipe Systems.
To work on aluminum connecting pipes, use the special aluminum scraper tool WZ120. Remove the cover layer and aluminum layer to the depth of the sleeve. Please make sure that the machine is always securely attached near pipe clamp hangers. Mark the insertion depth on the pipe. Please take the appropriate measurement from the chart in the handbook. With the slides fully separated, the free space between the pipe end and the form piece should be roughly 100 to 150 millimeters. Now please clamp the form piece and support it with the fixing angle. Set the timer, looking up the appropriate warm-up time for the pipe dimension from the chart. Take the hand welding mirror with the appropriate welding head WZ122 and place it between form piece and pipe. With the hand crank, the slides can be brought back together. Now begins the warm-up process. When the warm-up phase is over, separate the slides from one another and remove the hand welding mirror. Immediately bring the pipe and form pieces back together. Pay attention to the cooling down time, which you can read from the chart, after which the pipe can be used at its full capacity.
KELIT Innovative Pipe Systems.